Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat, where we make English simple, clear and real. Today we are diving into the delicious world of food idioms, expressions that add real flavor to your English. Why does this matter? Because using idioms helps you sound more natural, understand native speakers better, and bring a little zest to your conversations. If you would love to learn English with me, there's a link in the description that will give you 30% off your trial lesson. So let's get started. Let's start with the sweet side of English. Easy as pie, or a piece of cake. Let's start with an example. That test was a piece of cake. That test was easy as pie. Both of these idioms means something is super easy. The second one is bring home the bacon. This one is about success or providing for your family. Here's an example. After months of job hunting, she finally brought home the bacon. Cream of the crop. This describes the very best. For example, our new project manager is the cream of the crop. Sweet, right? Now for the sour side. Sour grapes. This is when someone pretends they don't care because they didn't get what they wanted. Here's an example. He said he didn't want the promotion, but that's just sour grapes. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. The next one is bite off more than you can chew. This is taking on more than you can handle. Here's an example. I bit off more than I could chew when I agreed to plan 3 events in 1 week. Now let's turn up the heat. In a pickle. This is for tricky or awkward situations. Here's an example. I was really in a pickle when I lost my passport abroad. Go nuts. This can mean either very angry or very excited. Here's an example. The fans went nuts when their team scored. Let's look at this one. Chew someone out. This means to scold or criticize someone strongly. The coach chewed out the players for being late. So you've tasted sweet idioms, sour idioms, and even spicy ones. Here's your challenge. Try using one new food idiom in your conversation this week. Maybe tell a friend that test was a piece of cake. Or say, I'm in a pickle. And that's the recipe for more natural English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone hungry for better English. I'll see you next time.